There's a lot of haters that like to say that I don't drive, but I'm gonna show them that I do know how to drive. Just like that, we're driving. Who thought that I couldn't drive? Who thought I couldn't drive? What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Starting another amazing video here on Easton, PA with beautiful weather. As you guys can see here, we got my beloved F-150, which is the truck that we're going to be talking about in today's video. In the previous video, I mentioned that I bought some air caps for this truck. So you guys can see there, it says the Ford logo on it. And they were like 12 bucks, you know, not a piece, like 4 air caps and the 2 keychains. But we're gonna be talking about this truck because it has some serious problems. So I'm gonna turn the truck on and you guys need to listen. I really hope this camera can catch the audio. So I hope you guys can catch the audio or even see that my camera is like kind of shaking, because if I put my hands on the steering wheel, the truck is just kind of shaking and like misfiring something. As you can see, we got the check engine light on. Let's take a look under the hood and see what we can hear. Yeah, you can definitely hear kind of a misfiring. And what we find out was that the truck is misfiring because it needs some new coils and spark plugs, and I believe it needs a new belt, something like that. Let's turn off the truck here because we are low on fuel as usual. I was thinking to clean the truck up today. Like, I already cleaned the interior. The interior is clean. As you guys see here, there's maybe a little bit of dirt, but you know, mainly the whole interior is like clean. So you guys can see it's really well clean. Same as the back. It's really clean. We already bought the pieces that we need to like get this truck back together. So you can see that the coils, well, the spark plugs, these are the coils. So I don't know if I should clean the truck up today. It's really dirty, as you guys can see. Really dirty. You know, I think I'm gonna clean it up. I don't know, just to make this video a little bit longer and a little bit entertaining. I don't know, I got one comment that's saying that doesn't matter if my videos are boring or they have no interest, they still will watch it. I really appreciate that. I should probably start doing some shout outs on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get a shout out, definitely go comment down below, and I'll put at the end of this video or the next video, I'll put the comments on the screen. But let's get to cleaning. I actually decided to clean the truck. Yeah, as you guys can see, the whole basement is full of mattresses as usual, as well as the laundry, and obviously the garage as well. Damn. Now I do have to move the truck a little bit forward and like try to tilt it a little bit so I can you know, have some room to clean this side as well. I really wanted to mention this real quick because on the previous video I said, well, not on the previous video, the video that we installed this window shades, I made a comment saying that this window shades were a little bit too big, and I probably got a million messages on Instagram saying that I'm a dumbass because, you know, I probably got it for the wrong truck, you know, but they sometimes comes a little bit bigger, so it's really not a big deal. I get it. People thought that I was a dumbass, which I am, but for now let's, you know, move the truck around. Well, not move it around, let's, you know, put it in place where it should go. Set up my camera, enjoy the time lapse. Now what we have to do is actually make a little bucket with soap. Try to find a damn bucket around here. It's gonna be headache. Little update on the, you know, on the working process of my house. My uncle should be coming here shortly. I believe he's coming tonight. So, you know, that's great. But what's not great that tomorrow I have school and Friday as well. I'm not gonna be able to spend time with him, which sucks. but it is what it is. I think I found this one, but this one seems kind of dirty, but we can clean it. Alright, so we are in number 2 problem that I cannot even find the brush to like clean the truck down. So always something. Might be here on the laundry, maybe. No, not at all. Where could it be? The last time that I cleaned a car was probably like, I don't know, probably last year. That was the last time I cleaned a car. Maybe in January probably was the last time I cleaned a car, which I don't even remember. But I don't seem to find my brush thingy. Oh, here it is. I find it. I find it, bitches! I honestly don't know why the hell I'm so weird. That's a good question. So we ran into a little bit of a problem. So you can see here it's broken. So water's gonna leak through. Dang it. Alright, find out my solution. I'm gonna use this little mop thingy. It works though. Alrighty, so we just finished cleaning the F-150. I took out all the soap, as you might be able to tell. Now, I'm not gonna do time lapse or film this at all. No, the boring part is drying the car. Which I call it the boring part because, you know, it's fun to play with water while you spray it. And it is fun. I'm gonna start getting the truck dry out. You know, get the truck all shine up. Then I'll move the truck all the way there. Probably film a lot of people that don't think I drive. I'm gonna shut your mouth. But let's get the F-150 dry. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there we go. It actually has been, I believe, 1 hour later since I dried the truck. Now the truck is all dried out. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. So if you have some chrome on your truck, you better get some, just listen. Get some Windex, spray it here, like that. And go like this on your car. Let me see, I gotta hold the camera. Do like that. And then when it dries, it actually shines. So just a little cool touch that I learned myself. But now what I'm gonna do now is actually finish the whole truck, you know, get, you know, tire shine on the wheels, you know, do some simple stuff, and then move the Platinum over here. Platinum sitting lonely over there. She's like, what the hell, you clean her but you don't clean me? Alrighty, so we got that Ford F-150 all shined up, got the wheels shiny in the front as well. Now what I'm gonna do is actually bring the Platinum over here and leave the F-150 sits where she always sits. First I gotta clean all of this up. Boom, there we go. We got everything cleaned up, as you might be able to tell. Now we're gonna jump in the F-150 and take her where she belongs. Alrighty, so let's head off on the F-150. A lot of people don't trust me that I do drive. You know, I'm only just 13 years old, and I do drive. I mean, I don't do this like to like highway or things like that, but in case I have to move my trucks or something like that, I always like, I help my dad move the trucks around. But I'm gonna head out this way because I gotta call around and go out through that street right there and park the F-150 over there. There's no cars coming from this side, but there's a hell of cars coming from that side. See if I can get in. Yeah. A lot of people didn't trust me that I drive. Why would I lie, man? Why would I lie? I don't lie. See, I'm just driving normally. It's easy to drive. I mean, I don't recommend any kid out there driving just because it's not safe enough. But if you know how to drive, go ahead. But you know, like I said, I don't drive around like on the highway or something like that. I just move my truck around if I have to. If I don't have to, I don't do it, because, you know, first, I don't have a license. Second of all, you just want to be, you know, I'm not that professional driver. You know, I'm not the best driver. I know how to drive, but I'm not the best driver. You know, there's stupid people everywhere. And if I crash, I don't have a license, like I said, and then yeah, it's not gonna be worth it if I crash. But let's get into the Platinum one more time. Here to a stop sign. See, this is me driving. See, I'm hitting the pedals. Come on, trust me. Just like that, we got the F-150 parked right here, as you might be able to tell. Now, time to jump on the Platinum. Oh, Jesus. Let that twin turbo V6 wake up. First thing you gotta do is put a zipper. Always do that. Now I gotta turn on the AC. It's pretty hot. I mean, I don't know if it's hot, but I really got high because I was like cleaning the whole truck. But I don't know if I should clean this one. Maybe on the next video, I'm not sure. But as of right now, you guys already saw that I drive. I don't want to make this video as long as it looks. I know it's interesting. I know a lot of people like seeing me driving. You know, this is the first time, obviously. But, you know, I want to, you know, focus on the street. You know, like I said, don't have a license. If I crash or someone crash, well, I'm not gonna crash, but someone might crash into me. And you know, I want to stay alert. You guys know I just drive. You know, I'm in the driver's seat. Why would I lie? That's my question. Why would I lie? So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you're stopping for the first time. If you haven't already and you feel like you kind of want to, please subscribe. That really helps to me. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.